Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I'm excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need salt, yeast, maize, cornmeal, white cornmeal, coarse, so this is a little bit like grainy, semolina flour, and of course your banana. Your banana needs to be very ripe, like it needs to have dark spots. If you're not comfortable with the banana being this ripe, you can go for a banana kind of like this, but it has to be, you see that? It should not be fresh yellow banana. It needs to be pretty ripe. And I like mine this dark, because when I get it this dark, the banana is the sweetest at this level, and it's very soft and it's easy for me to kind of like match it, because I do not blend the banana. I'm just gonna use one of these to match the banana. And of course you're also gonna need some oil to fry the beignet.